Yeah. I did it.
But you have to go. He put his hands down. This is not yoga. It's sweet so long.
Did you see that husband doing?
Yeah, when he fell. Show mommy how you go down.
No way.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I want a box. So I just
Listen, you're just gonna be punched in the pad. This is. Yeah. No, you be mitts. I got camera footage. Did you start the recording?
Yeah, can you put it?
All right, guys. Ashton, put them through the drills that I taught y'all.
Wait, is there like
I didn't even do anything. I go.
Alright.
No, do a jab. No, you did a jab is like this. Jab. Other hand. And then cross. No.
Jab cross. Jab cross hook.
Oh.
Where's my boxing?
It's like a walking punching bag.
Yeah, you really do.
You're like.
Wait, let's see if we can actually take a punch. All right.
Alright.
All right, ready?
In the face?
No.
In the face. No, in the face. In the face. Go for the face. Go for the face.
He's running away.
Yeah, geez.
Bro, this is building abs right here.
Yeah.
No, I'm not done. Like, I could take more.
Oh yeah, then take more.
Alright, you can have one good shot on my face.
Really? No, that would hurt you.
No, you wouldn't.
Actually?
Go for it, please. What? You had one shot. What was that?
No, other side.
Go, knockout.
Okay, let me go for the
Alright, my turn.
Wait, let me go for the stomach.
Alright, wait.
Wait.
Let my stomach get some recovery. She needs to get it with like 20 clean shots.
Wait, let me do my hardest I can on your stomach.
Alright, one punch.
He moved away.
Alright, that was good. Oh, you hit me like 30 times.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, they actually, you have to like pull it. They actually don't fit it. 1, 2.
Ew, why are you making those sounds?
That's what boxers do. Alright, 3. I have an injured wrist. Stop moaning. 1. Alright.
You stop making those sounds.
3. Hey, like you gotta do it. Like if you're a
Gee.
real man, you gotta do it. 1. Is there a way you can like edit the audio so all you get is?
I'll do that.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
Hey, moan for him. Jeez.
3. Hey. Jab, cross, hook, cross again. 2. 2. Why are you punching me? You're going in the mids. 5. Alright, that's not the thing. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Good.
Ew, okay, let's go. Hey vlogs. Oop. We're on our way to the to National Merit, right, Unga?
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't have any idea where we're going.
Top 10 in each school.
What are the schools?
Klein High,
Okay.
Klein Kane,
Okay.
Klein Forest,
Okay.
Klein Oak,
Okay.
Silvermore.
Yeah. There's 2 more.
Who?
Yeah.
You have 5. I said like 4. Oak, Forest, Kane, High.
There's 1 more.
Colin.
Ew, how do you know that? Okay, so Fit Track, thrifted. I don't. Oh, these shoes are from this store.
They should do banquet for national merit finalists. That's more important.
I'm gonna do your Fit Check.
I got my shirt, my Gucci shirt.
So we're gonna see a lot of Indians from the other schools.
Yeah, not a lot. Like, there's some at Kane and some at Oak. Mommy, do a Fit Check. It's perfect. What?
Perfect.
This is a very difficult family. Papa, do a Fit Check. Messing up.
When do you come back, Marshall?
Friday. Oh, okay, let me tell you the plan. So we have banquet until 9, and then after that is we go straight to Hosa. I go straight to Hosa. And that's in
won't be there
Galveston.
till like 11:30.
Who? Yeah, I'll be there at like 11:30, yeah. Curfew's at 11. Ooh. JK. Well, it is, but like.
Do you know who my shooting is?
Yeah, Grace, Madison, Amy. Like the 4 girls
So
on my
what's the
team.
event tomorrow?
So tomorrow's opening ceremony, and then we compete in MRC. Yeah,
I don't see it in the list of that.
Yeah, well, what is it?
it is. It's like we volunteer, and then we present on it.
Okay, explain a little better.
No, like we literally.
They just present their volunteer.
Yeah, it's actually pretty bad. Hopefully we win. If not, it doesn't matter. 3 of the people aren't even going to ILC.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Yeah, so usually most teams compete on Thursday, but ours competes on Wednesday. So Thursday we do nothing, and then Friday's awards. Oh, okay, let me tell you the plan. Yeah, well, I guess you just heard the whole plan. Yeah, so Wednesday we compete. It's opening ceremony. Thursday's chill. We go to the beach on Wednesday too.
Hope the weather is not like this.
Wait, let me try.
Only got on my phone.
Is that right?
It was right for a second. Oh, you just carried it for fun. Ooh, you look trashy. We're at the banquet. I'm good to see. Show them your confetti. That's Miss Breeding. This is Jocelyn. Those are my parents.
Anyone else have any funny photos?
Yeah, you can look through. Harrison, say hi to my camcorder.
I'm trying to get my deodorant into my jacket.
Oh, we're at banquet. Thank you.
No, you shoot your back.
About to go to Galveston.
I'm not going though.
No one wanted him to go. He's going to Waco.
Yeah, Waco.
Waco, guys.
Waco.
Waco, guys.
Alright,
No, wait, no, please. If y'all change and I have to go, can you just stall like 10 more minutes? Dude. And pay check for us?
Oh man, did you get the emails? Hey, you didn't get the emails.
I didn't get one from you.
Say hi.
What's the door? She doesn't know that he wants to.
I kind of have like a reputation now. Oh yeah. He's just out. This is Ian. This is Roz. Oh, are you going now? Yeah.
Let's go! I mean, there's like no point not to.
Yeah. Imagine if like we rescinded the offer.
Okay.
Okay. Hey.
Oh. You gotta finish it, bro.
Yeah, just do it. Like you're gonna do my vlog like that.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Do it.
You didn't have to.
Let's take it now.
Is this recording?
Yeah, it is, sorry.
Oh, this is the vlog.
Yeah.
Why is she vlogging?
She's on YouTube.
Wait, how does this work? This is the Cash. Wait, shoot. Me. Wait, this is Ian. This is Roz. This is Nikesh. Say hi.
Hi.
Your vlogs suck.
Click her off, Ross.
No, not too many people. No. Your boy.
What were your thoughts on the ceremony?
Very boring.
I'm so sorry.
What? What were your thoughts on the ceremony?
It was fantastic. I loved
He's
it.
lying.
You
He's
could have
definitely
probably
lying.
made it anyway.
Kristen, what were your thoughts
Of what?
on the ceremony?
This is very talkative.
That's cool, man. This is like the fun Hosa bus, by the way. It's for my camcorder.
What a leg.
Name is Co. This is
In the back.
Yeah, that's what y'all get for being so. Y'all were gonna be there together.
Dude,
anyways.
okay, no, such crap. Do rodeo, but I wasn't there.
Wait, you didn't go to Sir Rodeo?
I didn't go to Sir Rodeo. I put out that fire like a king.
Mr. Peach when y'all were squatting each other.
Dude, oh my
That's so
god.
funny.
Dude, I'm just saying, squatting Niraj to depth makes me fall over. I
landed straight on my coccyx.
coccyx. I have like
Everything is 18, but nothing is 22. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
We're on our way there.
Oh, you're on your way there? Oh, this car is not working, and it's not even the battery. Like, we're trying to boot it up, and it's not working at all.
Weird. How long have y'all been here?
Probably like 20 minutes.
And you just said, excuse me.
Did Pagoon like it? Oh, come on, Pagoon. Do a haul. Oh, wait, you have nothing yet.
I didn't get the most economically intuitive one.
Dude, why be so
$21.99.
That was really good.
This is $50.
Wait, what do you need it for?
I need to charge my phone.
Does she not have a charger?
No.
It was like this architect dude, and it was really fun. Telling Harrison what I did. It was like really fun.
She no, I saw a TikTok, it was like, you know you got a good hair.
When your mom is mad about it?
It's like Daisy kids know you got a good haircut when your parents get mad.
I want Diet Dr. Pepper or rain.
Oh, rain, of course.
Feminist women
Oh, you
love
definitely
Eminem.
got-
Chicka Slim Shady. I'm sick of him. Look at him walking around grabbing his you know what. Look, yeah, I probably got a couple of screws up in my head loose, but no worse than what's going on in your parents' bedroom.
Justin's a fake Hindu.
I'm not even in.
You're fake Sikh.
wait, why did leave early? That's chill.
Must be Miss Cove.
You look like your dad, and your mom looks like your brother looks like your mom.
That's not what people say. People say the other thing around. People say I have my mom's smile.
Oh yeah, what the heck?
Yeah. We do it by rank. Me and Kristen in the back.
No.
That's right.
She was waiting for it to go green.
Just run the red light, it's
You
all
know
good.
how I come in the morning and I say I have the worst luck?
Yes,
I'm really not kidding.
Man, you just run the...
How do I? Oh, there we go. Tomorrow at 6. I need to memorize. PM.
I won't help you on your AP day.
For opening ceremony, I'm just gonna. We're just wear our MRC jackets, right?
Your dad's charger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're like the only people that like only
have
compete
I don't
tomorrow.
have an jacket.
Yeah. Okay. Good. I didn't bring one either.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want the ball clean back?
Oh no! You're gonna go.
How can a person know everything at 18 but nothing at 22?
It is 22. I keep saying 23.
Like as a joke or like you don't remember?
I don't know why.
What are you listening to? Oh, I'll be like that. I'll be like that.
I'm listening to...
Wait. Let me do it. Do something. Put something dumb on.
Okay, let me just shuffle.
Oh yeah, do that. Okay, ready? Okay, tell me when you're ready. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm gonna be like that TikTok. Ooh. Hey Niraj, what are you listening to?
I'm listening to Implicit Differentiation by Malcolm.
Where's the elevator? I'm not walking up this stairs.
Here's your fitness center. You should just look at it. Oh no, it's probably too far down. Hotel tour. Don't ask me why I broke your heart. What the heck? This sucks. I'm about to surprise them.
That scared the frick out of me, girl. Bro, that social that we went to was actually so lit.
Really?
Yeah, wait, tell us your stuff and then we'll tell you.
where?
So we started the conga line, and then somehow got to circle, and then we started pushing each other, and I pushed her right in Grace. She straight up face planted on the ground, and then it was all crowd.
So on the ground.
Because I
I can't say this out loud. Like, I can't record.
Because I'm 18 and I still live with my parents, yeah, they're not like yours. Well, yours are more understanding. I never fell in love. I save those feelings for you. So let's do all the stupid shit that young kids do. It's me and you. It's me and you. Just me.